go copy your 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I am back with another video for you guys. So I know you guys already read the title and you clicked this video for a reason. I'm gonna be showing you guys a hack on how to moisturize your 360 waves, and no matter what hair texture you have, straight hair, medium hair, coarse hair, whatever. This hack is going to be helping a lot of you guys out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
Okay, so guys, welcome back. So for this hack, you will need a couple of products. You're gonna need a soft brush. You get your soft brush. 26 King Wavy website. Use discount code 360juice26 to get 26% off. Next, you're gonna need your moisturizer and your butter. All right. Also, by 26 King Wavy, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off these two items. Brushes and do-rag, 360juice26. Moisturizer, hair products, 360juice2020. And then guys, you're gonna need some gloves. Most importantly, a towel. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with the towel. You wanna put it under some running water. Okay, put it under some running water. You wanna squeeze the water out, but not all the way. So you wanna squeeze it a little bit out, put it in the microwave, 2 minutes, and take it out. Once you do that, you wanna keep your do-rag on. So a lot of people, when you do the hot towel method, your hair gets frizzy and stuff. So I know a lot of you guys wanna know a different way to do the hot towel method without your hair frizzing up. This is a good way. Keep your do-rag on. Take the hot towel, put it over your head, you know, make sure it's all in there. And the reason I told you guys not to take all the water out is because you want some of that water, the hot water, to go through the do-rag and into your scalp so it can open up your pores. All right, you do that, boom. Leave it in for about 5 minutes. Take off your do-rag, apply your moisturizers, and when you apply your moisturizers, your hands are gonna be greasy and stuff. So you're gonna need to put on your glove. All right, put on your glove. Your do-rag is off already at that point. You put in your moisturizer. After you finish applying your moisturizers, your pores are open. So you wanna take a soft brush, okay? Take the soft brush, your glove, so the product won't get onto the back of the brush, you know, the wooden part. All right, so it won't mess up your brush. So you wanna use a soft brush for this, because if you use any brush other than a soft brush, your hair is gonna start to lift up, and that's not what you want when you moisturize your hair, especially after the hot towel method. If you lift your hair up, it's gonna be super hard to lay back down. So soft brush, the purpose of soft brush is to lay your hair down. So you wanna use a soft brush for the moisturizing method. Okay, so you wanna take your soft brush and you wanna just go in. After you do that, you apply your moisturizer, you apply your pomade, apply your oil, brush it in with a soft brush. Then, if you want to do the plastic bag, take the plastic bag, do the plastic bag method. After that, put your do-rag on, and that's it, guys. That's really it. So it's not that difficult, and this will take about 15 minutes max. Let me put your hot towel method on top of your head. Brush session with the soft brush, apply the products. After you apply the products, you should brush your hair for about 2-3 minutes so you can really distribute the product throughout your hair. Make sure all the length of your hair from here to the hairline gets the moisturizer, gets the butter and the pomade, you know. The brush is just to distribute the product to make sure all parts of your hair gets moisturized. All right, so after you finish with that, you rag back up. A lot of people like to do the cold towel method, but once you rag back up, take the towel, you can put it in the fridge or however you make the water cold. Cold water, put it on top of your head, boom. 2 minutes, pores will close up. Now, you have a moisturizing method plus a seal-in method. So now you moisturize your hair, your pores are closed, the moisturizer is inside of your pores. Now you just go on about your day. Moisturized, looking, your hair is now moisturized, healthy, and then the moisturizer is stored inside of your pores for the next time you need it. So next time your pores open up, it's gonna squirt out oils, moisturizers, everything that you don't put in there, okay? Do not do this every day because you will clog up your pores. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I will see you guys in my next video.